Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be the monthly reading for May 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs of Taurus. Take only what resonates and leave the rest. Remember, time is fluid and energies and roles can be reversible or vice versa. If this reading doesn't resonate at all, you can check your Moon, Rising and Venus signs or readings by any other reader as well. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post daily readings there, and as well as sometimes I do free card pulls, free live readings as well. So don't forget to check it out. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can check the description box below. I have my website listed on there. So let's begin for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs of Taurus for May 2021. Any messages for Taurus for May 2021? Okay, so we've got the Nine of Cups as the first card here. Uh, the first card, the strongest card of the reading, is telling you that your wish is about to come true. Something that you've asked for maybe you're asking that for a long time now is gonna be fulfilled. Okay, so you're just be ready for that. Universe is answering your prayers, so ask carefully. Okay, and whatever you've desired, it's coming, and it's just gonna make your life uh, really complete. This was just the missing piece, so now it's gonna be complete. The other card is the World card. So with that, I feel that for some of you guys, there was a cycle that has to be ended, and it is going to now. So it's going to help you to be free. You were stuck in something, and now that it's over, you're coming out of it. Probably for some of you guys, it could be a legal case that you're coming out of, and again, if it's a wish fulfillment, it's going to be in your favor and you're going to be free. Okay, for others, it's just that there is something that has ended in your life which has set you free and you're basically happy. For others, I feel you've got an opportunity to travel the world, okay, or to travel somewhere abroad, probably overseas for something, and this is actually going to keep you a lot busy. So you're very excited for this thing, and you've always wanted this offer of some sorts. Okay, but for majority of you, I feel this is an end to a particular situation. Okay, that has actually, the karmic cycle has been completed, and now you're free. The other card that I've got for you is the Temperance here. So could be dealing with the Sag. I feel that again, you have to have patience in your life right now. You're trying to balance out your emotions about particular thing. As I said, you could be stuck in a karmic situation and you really want to get out of it. You will with the Nine of Cups, but it's going to take a while, so you got to have some patience to deal with the situation. Okay, um, so this requires a lot of patience and a lot of balancing in your life. So I feel a lot of you guys have to balance your inner masculine and feminine energy as well, in order to stay patient and uh, stay focused on the thing that you want. I also feel that emotions could be running high in your life right now, but that is only because whatever is happening, but you're going to get through that. You're going to balance your emotions as well. So it's like you're bringing that stability in your emotions in your life. You're trying to do that in your life. Okay, so the other card we've got is Hierophant. So that's you. You came out in your reading as well, just like the Aries. I see this whole situation is gonna just give you an exposure to better things, to things that will take your knowledge to the next level. Your spiritual gates are opening as well with this situation. Okay, so you're gonna step into the spiritual realms now. You're gonna go on the path of spirituality. You could meet someone who's gonna guide you in your journey as well. For others, it's time for you to learn new things and add up to your CV, so that it's gonna get you the job that you want. Okay, or to start a business, maybe whatever it is. But there's some sort of upgrading in your skills, upgrading in your life, upgrading in your emotions, your personal growth, your professional growth. A lot of things are getting upgraded in your life, and that could be happening because of someone. Okay, if you're in a relationship, I feel that okay, so I feel that the person whoever you're dealing with is making you feel really complete. You're happy with this person, it's like the missing piece of your puzzle, but you're still trying to be patient right now, so that you take this relationship slowly, but you're about to take the next big step in the relationship, whatever the next level means in your relationship right now. So after a period of having patience and trying to balance out your relationship, your personal life, your professional life, now you're ready to give that commitment to someone. That could be a case for some of you guys as well. The other card we've got is High Priestess. What is up with you, Taurus? All of the major arcana cards is coming up in your reading. We've got 4 till now out of 8 cards I'm about to pull. Like I've designed this reading with 8 cards from the tarot deck. So out of 8, 4 are already major arcana. So some sort of major changes are about to happen in your life, Taurus, and this is going to change your life really. With the High Priestess here, I feel you're trying to stay busy in your work, but you're stuck in 2 things as well. So you're trying to find answers to a particular question, that which one should you choose. So the guidance here will be to just listen to your reading, listen to your inner voice, listen to your intuition, and listen to your inner guidance. Whatever your guides are telling you to do, just do that, but you're trying to stay busy as well. You don't have the time, that's why I said you're trying to balance out your personal and your professional life, because the workload is so much in your life right now. But soon you're going to be ready to give other person the thing that they want from you, the higher level of commitment. So these 2 cards came up together as well for you now, the 10 of cups and the 8 of wands. Okay, so yeah, I feel that things are moving rapidly in your life with the 8 of wands here. Things are just moving so fast, and you gotta get along with it. The communication is on point between you both, and the affection, the chemistry that you guys share is to the next level. Again, something in your life is about to be completed. Maybe I feel that some of you guys were stuck in a particular situation, because of which you were not able to give the commitment that the other person wants from you, but this is about to get over. Your wish is getting fulfilled. You wanted the situation to be done with, and this is happening, be it for your good, or be it a bad situation or something you wanted to turn into your favor, or a bad situation just to, you wanted some bad situation to just end. Whatever this is, it is about to get completed, and this is what you've wanted. Could be a karmic situation that you really wanted to get out of, a legal situation or something like that, or something maybe you desired something and you're waiting for it for so long, and now that thing is actually happening in your life. It's gonna happen really really soon, and before you know it, it's gonna happen. So that's again is going to be a wish fulfillment for you. Some of you might be dealing with the Pisces as well. We've got Taurus, Sag and Pisces, all of these. So with the 10 of cups here as well, I feel whenever this whole situation is done, again you're going to give the higher level of commitment with the person you're with the 10 of cups in the Hierophant here. Both of these cards are talking about that you're ready to start a family with this person, you're ready to get married to this person, whatever next level means to you, because this person feels like home to you. Okay, so you're already now starting to plan all of that with this person. The last card we've got here is the Hermit. Again, 5th major arcana card. Could be dealing with the Virgo. Again, you are trying to just balance out your work life and your personal life. You're trying to like, I feel that you're working on a particular situation, whatever the situation was. With these 2 cards here, you see you're working on this particular situation, and the work is now done. Because of this work, I feel you were isolated for a long time now. You were not really in touch with anyone, and you could have been isolated from a lot of people in your life, including the love interest here. But now that the situation is done, you're going to come out of the hermit mode. Okay, you were feeling a disconnect with a lot of people in your life. So now I feel this is about to be done. You see the person is about to close the laptop here. Okay, so this situation is about to be done. Okay, and it's gonna happen super soon with the 8 of wands here. So yeah, you gotta just be ready for whatever this is. Okay, but whatever the situation is, it's gonna give you a lot of happiness that you've desired in your life. Okay, so let's pull out some chakra oracle cards for you. Okay, we've got two cards here. So we've got first card is the complacency, and the next is the victim. Okay, so I feel you might have been playing the victim card for a long time now because you were stuck in something, or it could not be just related to this whole situation here, but you were stuck somewhere. So you were being victimized here. You were stuck, as I said, you were stuck in a situation that brought major sadness into your life. Even your person feels the distance here, and they feel that it's because of them. So your person has started to feel like they are the one to be blamed here, and they're upset over it, they're crying over it, everything is just changing around them. Okay, but I feel whatever the situation is done, you're gonna just give them a lot of happiness. This is gonna give you a lot of happiness as well. And if you are the one who could be victimizing yourself, so let that thing go. You're not the person to be blamed here. It's all right, it's completely all right. So stop being sad over it. I feel that the period of isolation is really difficult for you. It was really difficult for you. um, you've shed a lot of tears in that time, but now I feel that the complicated situation is going to get over and you're going to get a lot of happiness. Let's get some guidance from the Moonology deck. Okay, the first is adjustments are required. So again, you're gonna do some sort of compromises and adjustments, um, balancing again your personal and professional life, your masculine and feminine side, everything. You need to balance it all out. Okay, so that's the one thing. The next is personal issue reaches resolution. This is what we've been talking about in the whole reading. So whatever it is, it's gonna be in your favor and it's gonna just resolve soon, so that you can have the life that you want and you can have all the happiness that you desire. So that's it for Taurus. I hope you liked it, and I hope it resonates with you. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, and God bless you.